Hi guys, it's Łódź again. I've been here for the holidays. There's some place over there, there's EC1, where we're going to the planetarium every day during our holidays. And today, or actually yesterday, we came here to visit the DELL factory in Łódź. We've seen some amazing equipment. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make any movies or photos, and I also won't be able to tell you too much because I signed a non-disclosure agreement. But I tell you, we've seen some really amazing stuff. I'll throw in some short video from the demo room. There's some amazing equipment, especially look at those Alienware computers. Really cool stuff. As for the less formal part, check this out. In the evening, we had a small bowling tournament. First place, even though I haven't been playing bowling for something like 30 years. Last time was in the States, where I used to play regularly about twice a week after work. But looks like you don't forget about it. It's like with riding a bicycle. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and enjoy a few photos and a short video at the end. Cheers.